Hi everyone, welcome to the next episode. I want to start with a data point which makes us all think. Global research firm Gartner has made a stunning prediction. By 2026, the date is fast approaching. 1 in 5 companies will use AI to eliminate more than half of their mid-layer managers. This is not a futuristic idea. It is an imminent and seismic shift. We are in the middle of what many are calling Great Flattening, a corporate cult where companies are systematically eliminating the layers to make their process fast and efficient. And the layer in the front line, the middle. We all want to navigate from mid-level roles to the senior level. But the hard truth is, the rule book for promotions have been deleted while we are still on the game. Your last year review would have been done based on the model which is fast becoming obsolete. Today, I want to share new parameters you must consider and new script you have to write for your career. So let's discuss about the problems that we are facing. The translator getting obsolete. So what is actually happening? For decades, the job of mid-level managers in India, in corporate world, is that of a translator. We'll translate the strategy from senior leaders to many tasks. We manage workflows, track KPIs, and we chase deadlines. But to be honest, AI can do 80% of these tasks with better and much efficient manner and lower cost than us. So if your performance is getting evaluated on the basis of on-time delivery, team productivity, budget tracking, you're measuring your own obsolescence. A moment of reflection. I want you to pause and think about the last performance appraisal review. What was the focus? Was it preliminarily on your project completion, budget adherence, team output? Now, ask yourself, how much of your review was dedicated on your ability to develop new leaders on your team, or your direct contribution to the company's 3-year strategy? That is the gap. That is the danger zone. That is the difference between the old game and the new one. We are all being measured on administration tasks, but the company wants us to be architects. So if the old parameters are failing us, what are the new ones? To get the senior level role or position, your performance review needs to scream what you can do and what AI cannot do. You must shift from managing things to the value add. Here are the 4 parameters that we could try to make it successful. Parameter 1, strategic impact. The old question, did you complete your project within the timelines and within the budget? The new question should be, how did your project move the business forward? Did you do anything to identify new prospects or new business opportunities, or a critical risk that has been identified? Did you change the process for the better? How to show it? Instead of putting across the project results, present its insight. The industry expert says that just move from the administrative role to the insightful architect. In the next review, lead with why than stuck with what. Parameter 2, people development, not people management. The old question is your team happy and productive? The new question is, how many people from your team got promoted? Have you identified your high potential employees within your team? And are you mentoring them for the next role? Have you built your replacement? How to show it? Your ability to build talent pipeline or the leadership pipeline within your team clearly shows your leadership potential. Your greatest product is not the work, but how many leaders that you have created. Parameter 3, data fluency, not just data reporting. The old question is, did you send that KPI dashboard? The new question is, did you use the data to ask the question what others have not? Were you able to build a story with the data and find the critical gap? It is the human who creates the context and question and makes the strategic bet based on it. Parameter 4, emotional intelligence and influence, not just communication. The old question is, did you communicate clearly? The new question is, can you influence peers from other departments whom you don't have direct authority? Can you handle your team through ambiguous and difficult change? Can you handle a high-stake client conflict? How to show it? This is your single powerful human AI proof skill. In senior roles, technical skill is assumed. Your core value is in your emotional intelligence. Your ability to persuade, negotiate, show resilience is what will get you promoted. Your next performance review is coming and you have a choice to make. You can walk into that room with the list of projects that you have handled, all the reports that you have filed, and all the tasks you have done. Or you can walk with a list of strategic initiatives that you have implemented, the new questions you have asked about the data, the new leaders that you have created, the complex and human-only conflict that you have resolved, the business impact that you have made. Don't just be a manager who gets the work done. Be the leader who decides what needs to be done. The first one is being automated. Be the second one. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next one. Thank you.